Hi, everyone.
Hi, guys. Oh, I'm supposed to talk?
Melanie is making something today. So am I, actually. The two of us are cooking today.
I'm making peanut butter and chocolate eggs for Easter.
And I'm making something that has chocolate in it, too.
Yeah, but she won't tell me what it is.
Surprise.
So in my pot I have on the stove, I have 1 cup of peanut butter, I have a 1/4 cup of butter, and I have a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. So,
sorry, go ahead.
So we're going to heat that till it's completely melted and starting to simmer, and we're going to stir it constantly, and then we're going to remove it from the heat.
Okay.
You don't want to keep them on while I'm doing that, do you?
Okay, we had an ingenious idea. We're going to keep going while Melanie's melting her peanut butter over there. I have a casserole dish. I am making a dump cake.
What are you making?
A dump cake.
Oh.
So I greased up my casserole dish, and I'm dumping into that a can of cherry pie filling. Okay, so that goes on in there.
See, I'm trying to watch that and do this at the same time.
You'll have to wait for the release. And I'm going to spread the can of cherry pie filling all over the casserole dish. Okay, and now I got a can of pineapple bits. I like crushed pineapples in this, but I'm going to go with the pineapple bits because that's what I have. But a can of crushed pineapples is awesome in this. And I'm going to leave the juices in with it.
I like it already.
And then I mix that in with the cherry pie filling. And I'm just going to show you that. That's what that looks like.
Oh, nice.
Now I have a box of chocolate cake mix.
Now, can you use vanilla?
Yeah, you can use vanilla. I just have chocolate in the cupboard. You can use whatever flavor you want, you know. You can, if the vanilla or yellow ones taste really good, if you wanted to dump a can of sliced peaches in. So then I just dump the cake mix all over the top. You don't mix the cake mix with anything. You just dump it into the casserole dish and just kind of spread it about. And that's what that looks like. And now I'm going to dollop 8 tablespoons of butter or margarine. I'm going to dollop butter or margarine all over the top of this. I need 8 tablespoons worth. Excuse the hands, they're clean. Eight tablespoons or a half a stick of butter. Melt it. You can melt it and just drizzle it over the top if you want. It does just melt anyway, so I like just dolloping it all over the top of the cake. My oven is preheated to 375. And it's going to go in there probably for like 35, 40, probably 45 minutes or so, because it does take a while for the cake to cook, because the bottom fruit that's in it got to heat up first and everything before the cake even starts to cook. Might even take 50 minutes, but you'll see that it's all cracked and golden, you know. It's almost like cobbler.
Okay, this is starting to simmer, so I took it off the heat. And I can't find my, oh, there it is.
I'm just gonna throw this in. I'm done until that's done.
Well, that worked out good because now I'm going to do this one.
See that?
Okay, so this is nice and melted. So as we're going to add 1¼ cups of icing sugar, but you're going to add 1/4 cup at a time.
Okay.
So I'm
Cool.
just going to add a little bit. And stir it around. I could eat it out of the pot just like this.
Oh, I know. The problem is that they're addictively good. They'll taste like Reese's peanut butter cups, but shaped like an egg.
Yes.
Nice. What a nice Easter treat. And you just keep slowly mixing that in, Mel?
Just keep mixing it in, yep. And instead of being runny, it'll start to get like doughy, so like you can
Yeah.
to be able to form, like it'll be like it's starting to get a little thicker.
Do you want me to come back when you're done ready next, or what do you do?
Yeah, you might as well, because I still got to do another 1/4 cup of it, and I got to put it away to cool. So
Okay, we'll be back after it's put away and cooled down. Okay. We're showing you the stage that Melanie is in. I got stupid pop-up.
Stage or state.
That's okay. Guys, I use brownie mix instead of cake mix in this here. I made this before, trust me. You put cake mix on top of what I did, do exactly what I did, but use cake mix. I used brownie mix, so I don't know if it's going to turn out now.
Okay, this is the first.
With you so that you don't make the same mistakes. Hey, Mel.
Well, I've never made these before, and I had it cooling for what, 20 minutes?
Yeah.
I even had it in a freezer, and it's not getting hard.
Yeah.
So of course now I have a mess going, and I'm going to show you. I cannot roll peanut butter balls into balls.
So you want them shaped like eggs is what your goal was.
Well, yeah, and I'm sort of getting there, but I'm using powdered sugar to kind of help out here a little bit. If you guys do better and I did something wrong, please let me know.
Yeah, we're still going to show you how these turned out. And yeah. And
I can't get the peanut butter.
Recipe fail or recipe success. We'll know in a little bit. In the meantime, I'm just making stuff for supper while we're waiting to see how this stuff is turning out. So we'll be back with our next step.
I'm thinking Mondays are not going to be our days.
No. Oh my gosh. Oh well. We're gonna show you what we did anyway.
Yes, we are.
Okay. Okay. What do we got going on there, Mel?
Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, in my bowl, I'll put you down. I got 2 cups of milk chocolate. You can use semi-sweet chocolate or milk chocolate. And 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So now I'm just going to take my not so good looking egg, spin it around.
I bet you it's gonna look good when it's all like dried off.
Now I can't get it out. Oh my. That's 1.
How many did you get out of that recipe, Mel?
2, 4, 20.
Oh, that's not bad.
No. Then just flip it around, and
They look cute.
I gotta get, I might have to use a fork and not this because it's
The spoon on it. Is it a spoon? What is it?
I find the, no, I use it for when I'm icing. I think just the spoon would be, or the fork is just a little bit.
Less the stuff
Easier to
can run
pour.
off. And then, are you gonna decorate them?
Yep, I got some sprinkles. I went to get confectioners, like the birthday ones, the round ones,
Oh, cool, yeah.
but I couldn't find them, so I'm just gonna use sprinkles.
They look very Eastery, Melanie. They look good.
So it kind of looks like an egg.
It does. They look awesome.
You know, we're not professional chefs. I mean, it's just,
Yeah. Well, you're doing that. I'll show them this concoction that I got here.
okay.
Okay, so I would recommend using the cake mix. The brownie, I had a little taste. It does taste good, but the cake mix tastes better. Turns out better with the cake mix. So I'm gonna do this. I'll show you it's a better angle. Scoop that in there. Brownie goodness.
Looks good though.
Yeah, and then I'm just going to. What do you think of that, Mel?
I like it. I like it a lot.
So I think I think with the cake mix it is better, but anywho, it is what it is.
And these here, if you find the chocolate too thin, you can always let it cool and dip them back in the chocolate again.
Oh, that's good. Good point, Mel. Good tip.
So, because sometimes when the chocolate runs off, you know what happens. So.
I'm gonna do a taste test.
On that note, I'm gonna go,
Mm.
nothing else is new, I'm gonna go scope out the situation, see if there's anything else I'm gonna do, or maybe the snow stopped, or take it from there.
You got snow? You got snow there today?
Yeah.
All right, love you, Sue.
We'll come back and show you Melanie's finished.
Okay.
Or that's basically it, eh, Mel?
That's basically it. Then you just put them back in the fridge to get cold, and that's it.
Nice.
All right, love you.
Well, everyone,
That's your eggs.
again, we'll bring you more fun and deliciousness. Till then, cheers.
See you later, guys.